Hey, what's up? Welcome back, subbies, and if you're new here, hey friend. Today we're going to be doing a clip-in tutorial. Firstly, I want to say thank you to Affordhair for sponsoring this video. Secondly, for those of you who are watching my videos and you ain't subscribed, what are you doing? Go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. So let's get into it. So for all of you who know me, I first started off wearing extensions by wearing clip-ins. Now, I haven't worn clip-ins in a while because I graduated to wigs, headband wigs, things of that nature. So I was sent some clip-ins this month by Affordhair. So this is what the box looks like. They didn't take long to come at all, especially knowing Amazon. Your stuff will get here, especially those Amazon Prime members. So let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, so it comes in a bag like this. So let's open it up. Okay, so when I open this, it comes with a hair protector. What do you call these things? You know, the things the lunch ladies wear, that thing, the hair nets. Yeah, the hair net. So it comes in a hair net to protect the hair. So let's dig it up out of here. Oh, wow. Okay, nice. So these clip-ins, these are the way they look. These clip-ins are very soft. They have no smell, which is awesome because I always love to wash my hair when I get them before I apply them, especially when they have a smell. But this hair automatically comes very soft. Easy to comb my hands through it. And this is 7 pieces of Remy hair extensions. And these are 18 inches. So these are 18 inches. These retail for 60 bucks on Amazon. This is how one piece looks. So they come in all different sizes. And then they have the clips that you can clip them open, clip them closed. And I'm gonna demonstrate how you put these in so that way there won't be any confusion. Like, these are easy. Like, if your hair already blown straight, for the most part mine is, then you won't have any issues. And these should blend in really easily. So I'm just gonna separate them by piece so that way we can apply them. Okay, so I have my big pieces with my big pieces and my little pieces with my little pieces. So I want to do a middle part because I feel like this showcases the hair the best. And plus, I never really do a middle part. So yeah, I'm gonna do a middle part today. So I have a feeling I'm gonna have to flat iron my hair because my hair isn't as straight as I want it because it's a little frizzy due to the weather. So I'm gonna use this heat protectant serum to basically put on my hair before I flat iron it. Like so. Okay, so firstly, going to, I want to flat iron this part to get this straight so that way my part can be nicely done. And these clip-ins are very affordable, especially the fact that they're human hair and then they are 18 inches. Because I used to pay some money for some clip-ins. I remember paying $100 or something for clip-ins, especially since like it's not just a bundle, it's clip-ins. So, and then they have to add the clips and all of that. Especially when it's like strictly human hair. But these are a really good price, y'all. So I'm going to apply these extensions. First, what I do is I part the back of my hair like so. It doesn't have to be super straight. It can be like this. I don't know if you guys can see. Something like that. Let me clip this up. These are not hard to install at all, you all, like at all. So I have a feeling this will fit. Let me just comb it out. Let me see if it'll fit. And then you open the combs like that. Yep, these will fit. And then you stick them, you comb them through, and then you clip it closed. It is so simple, y'all, so simple. You basically part and clip, and that's it. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is how the clip ends look. Blended into my hair. They blend very well. Very well with my hair. Like seriously. Like the blend game is definitely on point. It is freaking beautiful. Now, if you want a fuller look, guys, I would recommend you order 2 packs of these. So that will make it like $100 and some, which is what I would spend on clip-ins anyway. But considering that this is 7 pieces and it's $60, it's worth it. Especially when you already have thick hair or you don't want that full of a look. You just want something like super natural. This is how the back looks. As you can see, I did a great job at hiding the clips or the clip-ins. And this is basically how it will look with a middle part. It's definitely giving. So yeah, I really love it. As you can see, I actually did flat iron some of these clip-ins and it straightens well. me try to show you again. So this is me flat ironing the clip-ins, and as you can see, it straightens very well. Got that dip right out. So yeah, these clip-ins are excellent quality. Okay, excellence. Your girl is a wreck to go. So let me know what you all think in the comments. All of the information on these clip-ins will be listed below in the description box. If you like this video, remember to give your girl a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. Until next time, peace.